dipanggil Artanto. You can call me Nael. I live in Budoran. I am 8 years old. I am grade 2 ICP 3 in Mimnupacang, Sidoarjo. I will talk about how the implementation of Bhinneka Tunggal Ika in my daily life. When I was at school or play at home, I make friends with everyone regardless of religion or language. Respect each other and help each other. When at home, I often work together to clean the house and obey my parents' orders. That's enough from me. Wassalamualaikum